Whitehead official here. Grateful to be coming back to you with another review. Now I had the opportunity and so excited for this opportunity to be given another product to review just for y'all by Senso Electronics. I know anybody who's been following my page, we did the review of the Senso wings last time, not chicken wings, Senso wings. And now I'm grateful to be doing a review of the Senso Orbits. Now I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting ready to go into outer space and I'm really wanting to see how these sound in comparison to the Senso wings. So don't want to overtalk it, don't want to overdo it. So without further ado, let me give you this review. We are back and returned to get this unboxed for you guys. Don't worry about the plastic on there. I know the reflection is kind of really bad to the viewers right now, but we will get this unboxed. Cut the plastic off, fresh out the box. Here goes the front. Oh, I got a scratch on already, but it's okay because it's just the box, it's protected. Not gonna really go into too much detail on the products of what's on the back of it as far as contents and features. The only thing I'm really going to talk about primarily is the ENC noise cancellation, because I feel like this is one of their flagship features they have on this. Get out of there. There we go. Sorry about that. See, very lightweight charging case. Beautiful design. I don't know if you can see that. Let it focus in. The Orbits logo on it, I think it's at 0.5%, as almost all products come in when you get them fresh out of the box. Senso marking on the back. Instructions. You know, something's wrong with this. It's a little product warranty. Yep, 24-month warranty. And then underneath, and I forgot to go over this in the last video, will be everything else. Your charging. There's your additional earbuds for replacements if you need them. The USB-C charging adapter. Also is going to require a brick. I'm pretty sure you have that if anybody has a phone, or charge it into your laptop. And there's also your instruction manual to know how to fully operate these beautiful set of headphones and make sure you're not lost on anything that they give you as far as detail. So let me get these charged up for you and let's give you an honest review. So gratefully, these headphones came charged at 90%, which is surprising. Normally time, even the wings of the Senso headphones I did last time came charged around 40%. So maybe somebody kept them on the charger when they packaged it, I don't know. But I didn't have to take any time to charge it and delay this video any longer. But what I will say, when you open these up, there will be this blue tape around the bottom receiver of your earpods. So make sure you take this off because it will not connect to anything. So once you take those off, you're going to flip the case open your Bluetooth settings, search, and it's going to show up as Orbit ENC70. Very quick accessibility, very quick connectivity. I am going to call my brother because I want to test out this ENC technology that it has with this quad microphone array. So I'm going to call them on my laptop because I'm using my my phone to record, so I can't use them right now, and we're going to test it. Give me 1 second. Hello? Are you at work? Oh, my fault. Well, look, I need you to, I'm doing the headphone review. I need you to test something from me. So I'm talking right now. I want you to listen to me talk, and then I'm going to take them off for a second. All right, how does it sound now? Do I sound different, worse, better? Okay, what about now? Does it sound clear, crispy? All right, that's all. All right. So there you have it. He said the first time it sounded clean. The second time it sounded a little muddy and ruffled. But turned it back on again just to see if he could really tell the difference, and he could. Grateful for that. So explaining ENC technology versus ANC. So ENC stands for environmental noise cancellation. ANC stands for active noise cancellation. So the difference is active noise cancellation is primarily for you. So I know I used to have Bose QC35 is my primary headset, and I would put them on, and you have the ability to turn on and off the noise cancellation. So when you turn the headphones on, instantly everything around you becomes silent, like dead silence, almost like Call of Duty. And you can't hear anything else but the music, which I love because it lets you be immersed in your music. ENC, what it does is it helps the person you're talking. I said teaking. It helps the person that you're talking to. So if you're communicating on the game, if you're talking to somebody on the phone, if you're outside at the barbecue, you know, and the kids are playing around and grandpa was smacking spades on the table, when you're talking, it's going to cancel out all that noise. So it's going to send you a noise source, and then it's going to send you an anti-noise source. Get that backwards. That's for ANC. So this just cancels out. It's almost essentially like a noise gate if you guys follow music production. So anytime you speak, it's going to cut down the noise level of any outside noise as you're speaking, so they can receive the audio quality as clear as possible. You know, that's why I really enjoy the quad microphone array, because it gives you an inward facing microphone which collects environmental noise and create an offset for you. Then it has a beam former microphone that helps you receive, what am I doing? I wasn't even in center. Helps you receive call audio and filters out the background noise. Just as I stated before, you know, if you're at a family setting or you're in the street or you have cars driving by. But overall, I listen to these in the musical aspect, and I will say the JBL 300 TWS are my primary earphone source at the moment. And in comparison to the Senso wings that I did last time, these outdo both of them. Surprisingly, it's crazy, especially because JBL is such a bass heavy audio source when it comes to music or when it comes to any type of their audio projects. And for the price that these cost versus the price I got these at, these are on the higher pedestal. I highly recommend. No fluff, no BS. You know, I'm not here to hype up a product that's not worth anything, but this right here, the bass response in these are better than these, hands down. If you don't believe me, you can check the link in the description below and buy the product, purchase them, and compare them. I will personally let you listen to these in comparison to the Orbits, and you're going to see the difference. You're going to feel the difference. That concludes the review. For those who have any questions or any type of interest in these headphones, click the link in the description below. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram at Whitehead_official. I will be posting there, and I also will be posting on my YouTube as well at Whitehead official without the underscore. All right, thank you again, Senso Electronics. Grateful for you guys, grateful for these products, and I'm grateful to be here, living, breathing, as I always do. If you don't follow me already, follow my Instagram for daily motivations, almost 5-6 days out of the week. And that's all to it. See you next time.